Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to mass delete emails on Gmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You can bulk delete emails a lot easier now with a helpful pop-up that appears. For instance, if you're in your inbox and have a lot emails, you can only see 50 on the page at a time. When you click the checkbox at the top to select emails, it will select all 50 visible emails on that page. Then a pop-up will appear that says, all 50 conversations are selected. Do you want to select all in primary? Clicking on that option will select every email in the category. From there, you can simply hit the delete icon. If you're dealing with a larger number of emails, say in the social category, which might have something like 2,300 emails, you follow the same steps. Click the select box, then select all 2,000 plus emails when prompted, and hit delete. Gmail will then ask you to confirm the bulk action. Once confirmed, it will start deleting all those conversations. Some conversations go to the trash, and Gmail may take a few minutes to delete everything. You might not see all the emails disappear right away. After waiting a little while, maybe around 2 minutes, and you can see that all emails from that folder, like social, have been removed. Those emails then end up in the trash folder. If you click More in the left sidebar, you'll see the trash folder. In there, you can perform the same action. Click the select box, and a pop-up will allow you to delete all conversations permanently. Click delete again, and all those messages will be removed completely. It might take a minute to process, but that's how you do it. So that's basically how you can mass delete emails on Gmail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.